Will a pressure washer remove it? We're gonna stress test our acrylic tire protectant. We're gonna use an all-purpose cleaner, a tire and wheel cleaner, and our pressure washer to see if we can pull off this semi-permanent 6-month tire shine. Let's see what happens. Come with me. Let's go. Here is my tire. You can see the gloss. This is all dry to the touch. And we're gonna see what we can do. Pressure washer first, go to APC, then our tire and wheel cleaner. This is gonna be test one with the pressure washer. Got a little Ryobi here. All right, now I'm gonna dry it real quick. To see, look at that, it's still shining. Oh yeah, that's with the tire shine, that's without. Next test, I'm gonna take our all-purpose cleaner. This stuff we use to prep the wheels. We're gonna give that a go. Doesn't seem to be browning at all. Now we're gonna blow this off. Take a look at that. Still shining. Look at that shine, that reflection. Looking great. Now, for the biggest cleaner, this is our tire and wheel cleaner. It is a pH of 13. Okay, this is heaviest duty cleaners we have. I'm gonna let that sit. Now this stuff is wild. Normally these tires are just bleed brown. Pull all of the dirt, debris out of the tire. Now we're gonna hose it off. Let's see. Nothing's pulling that off. Take a look. Look at that shine. There's that. That's the other side. I figured I'd give y'all the opportunity of seeing it in the sun, so I brought it out into the sunlight. Look at this. It held up to our toughest cleaners and a power washer. We stress tested this product today. It did phenomenal, 10 out of 10. I love this product. It works amazingly. 6 months, super gloss, super easy to keep clean. Go get it. TikTok shop. Our first ever TikTok shop opened a couple days ago. It's 40 bucks, free shipping, free applicator. And look, one tire did almost barely anything to this bottle. Go give it a try.